The match should be over. 90 minutes have passed. You have watched the clock count all the way up, and yet nobody blows the whistle. Instead, a board goes up on the touchline. A number glows on it. 3, or 5, or 9. And the game just keeps going. You have always been told a football match lasts 90 minutes, 2 halves of 45. That is not true. The 90 minutes is a fiction. A football match lasts exactly as long as one person secretly decides it lasts. And that person has been doing sums in their head the entire time. Let me show you how. Start with the strangest thing about football. The clock never stops. In almost every other major sport, the clock freezes the instant play does. A foul, an injury, a break. The hands halt and wait. The time you see is the time that was actually played. Football refuses to do this. The moment the first half kicks off, the clock starts running, and it does not stop for anything. Not for a goal. Not for a player lying on the turf. Not for the ball sailing into the crowd. It just keeps ticking, which sounds like a flaw. But it creates the whole mystery. Because if the clock never stops, then every dead moment in the match is time the crowd paid for and never got. Think about what eats those moments. A player goes down injured and the physios jog on. 90 seconds gone. A substitution and someone strolls off the pitch as slowly as they dare. 30 seconds gone. A goal is scored and the celebrations run for a minute before anyone restarts. None of that is football. But the clock counted it as football, and here is where it tightens. A team that is winning works this out very quickly. If the clock keeps running, then wasting time is the same as playing defense, so they slow everything down. The goalkeeper takes an age over a kick. A throw-in is suddenly very complicated. A player who was sprinting a moment ago now needs a long, careful stretch on the floor. Every wasted second is a second the losing team cannot use to score. If nothing stopped this, the last 10 minutes of any close match would be a masterclass in standing still.